As-Salaam Alaikum, brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today in inshaAllah we will learn about the dua. So what is dua? Dua is to ask Allah for the things we need, such as good health, eemaan, to enter jannah, and many other good things. Did you know, children, that during the month of Ramadan, the doors of jannah are open, and Allah's mercy is wider than in any other month? We should make as much dua as possible during Ramadan, especially during the last 10 nights. Dua can be made anytime and anywhere. One special time is just before the time of sunset, which is maggrib time, when we are just about to break our fast. At this time we should make lots and lots of dua. Dear parents, you should try your best to teach your children many supplications, and before you know it they will have them all memorized, inshaAllah. How about making a habit of sitting together as a family every night to make dua together? So children, we should try our best to get the most out of Ramadan by making lots of dua for ourselves, our family, and our friends. Ask Allah for His forgiveness and mercy, and remember, kids, way of Islam is your prayer. Till the next reminder, remember, always be good to your parents and kind to others. See you in the next Ramzan reminder. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Alaikum दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अहमद। हमारे चैनल किड्स विद इस्लाम को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें।